everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2004 Ford Mustang GT. Of course, you know a lot of Mustangs are coming through Skyway Classics, particularly in the style of generation. But of course, if you're looking for one that's been very well kept, this may definitely be the vehicle for you. Going to the one we have here though, featuring a beautiful yellow Bumblebee exterior. Of course, you will see it does have a black stripe on both sides of the lower doors. Even so, you will see we have that mean scoop coming from the hood as well as the spoiler in the back. Even so, for this particular generation, even so these models, you may notice that the late 90s they were more of just a driver, whereas the early 2000s they really wanted to make it into a performance car. Even so, you will see it does feature the 5-spoke Mustang wheels. Even so, through that you will see it has the 4-wheel disc brakes. Very modernized evolution since the original Mustang, where it was just known as a secretary car with drum brakes and no power steering. But even so, we get onto the inside, featuring this beautiful black interior. In fact, even getting into this vehicle, you will actually smell that new interior smell. Very hard to find, especially in these cars, since a lot of times you find them on Facebook Marketplace almost beaten to death. But as you can see, it does feature a 5-speed manual transmission. Finest material of the bucket seats. Got a lot of room in the back seat, which I don't even think nobody's ever gone back there. But even so, you will see we have a clean dash. You will see there's no cracks. We even have a clean cluster, which is actually actively working. But best part about it still has under 5,000 miles reading from the odometer. One of the best kind of features you can get for any style automobile over 20 years old. But even so, you will see just in general it has its stock features, which of course safety includes airbags. So you have your coast controls, you have your power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Still having the stock audio system with CD, and speakers come from the upper side of the doors and the lower door panels. But even so, we got that nice blowing cold AC going on right now. Of course, the perfect time to have, especially this time of year in Florida. But even so, just a well-driving automobile, which does take us to the engine bay, featuring the 4.6 liter motor. As you can see, it is clean, presentable, and ready to get eaten off of. In fact, you can make an omelet on there and the car would still probably be clean. But even so, on the underneath is just as beautiful up top. But as I said before, we do have 4-wheel disc brakes, which we can demonstrate for you right now. Clutch feels very good, and even so, it is just fine as can be. But before we end the video, why don't we take it up the road once to show you how good she shifts, as well as everything else. We've got a clean path of traffic, so let's go. Of course, this dumb man decided that we're better than him and we're just going to scoot past him right there. Right now we're going about 50 miles an hour, cruising right there. You can see there's no shaking at the wheel, handling the curves pretty good. Of course, for the style of black ball tires on it, it definitely makes the true automobile a fine performance vehicle. As for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.